The truly comfortable atmosphere is made of details. It could be reached by deliberate aesthetics of the interior, convenience of furniture or smiles of the loved ones. The pleasant decor in the bathroom also plays an important role. For over 20 years now, AQWELLA has been producing high-quality and beautiful bathroom furniture, helping to create a cozy home for their customers. The extensive line includes more than 30 collections of furniture made in numerous styles, cabinets, tumblers, and mirrors, satisfying the most demanding tastes. The wash basins were exclusively designed and patented by our specialists. Our solid team of designers and technologists works on the creation of collections, from the idea to their implementation. AQWELLA's production is located in the Kaliningrad region. Our furniture is presented in showrooms throughout Russia, the CIS countries, and Europe. We apply the latest developments in our furniture production. That's the reason why we regularly invest in modern German and Italian equipment, with the help of the latest technological achievements. Our production capacity allows us to produce up to 200,000 products per year. This fact gives us the right to consider ourselves experts. We use only eco-friendly materials that are supplied by European partners. All materials meet strict quality standards that are confirmed by certificates at the acceptance stage. Raw materials are obligatory checked for compliance with the asserted technical specifications immediately after keeping in warehouses. The particle boards are sent to production's electronic stock for sorting and preparing for the incision. The quality of the materials is strictly controlled at this stage. Such particle boards could be kept for 1 or 2 weeks at the required temperature of at least +20 Celsius degrees and humidity of at most 65%. The details of upcoming furniture are then made out of the prepared tiles. We use the latest edge-bending equipment, such as glue-free edge welding, using laser and environmentally friendly polyurethane. These technologies not only guarantee the perfect appearance of the piece, but also eliminate the moisture penetration into the structure of the board, increasing its leaking resistance. In the next stage, the pieces are covered with 5 layers of soil and opaque lacquer, at the rate of 1 kilogram of opaque lacquer to 1 square meter of the tile. Paintwork materials from leading manufacturers in Spain and Italy are used for painting. A perfectly smooth 4-layer is achieved by using advanced drying technology. The use of ultraviolet radiation in the process ensures the opaque lacquer baking effect. As a result, completed furniture is highly resistant to moisture and mechanical influences. This means you can be reassured that the furniture will last for a long time. Glass-based parts for our products are made of display glasses by the Japanese AGC Group. The amalgam of such mirrors is designed specifically for rooms with high humidity. After details checking, the craftsmen proceed to erecting work. We use only high-quality furniture accessories that are responsible for the smooth sliding of drawers or doors, reliability and durability of any operational activity. AQWELLA furniture is fitted with hinges and rails with a perpetual guarantee from the Austrian manufacturer Bloom, whose general partner is AQWELLA. The finished furniture is carefully packaged in 5-layer cardboard and sent to the future furniture owners.